short video will demonstrate how to use your current network connection, so be it a broadband connection or any other connection, and share it across multiple devices such as your phones, be it Android, Symbian, Windows Phone, etc. The following method has been tested on a Windows 7 64-bit operating system, and it can work, I believe, with Windows Vista, Windows 7 and Windows 8. However, Windows XP users may not find this working on their systems. So there are probably two different easy ways of doing this. The first one is by going to Control Panel, Networks and Internet, and setting up a new connection and choosing from this new window the setup of wireless ad hoc network, computer to computer network. However, when I tried this method, my Android's phones were actually not discovering the newly created network. This is because when I probably searched the net, I found out that Android devices cannot discover any ad hoc network. So there is another way of doing this one, which is very easy. Just go to download a software which is called as mHotspot. Go to the first link there, and don't click on any of these download buttons because they are probably ads and you don't want those to be installed on your system. Click download here and go to the download now. The software is less than 1 MB in size. Save file. It will be downloaded. Software. Click run. However, we want that the software comes with a lot of bloatware, so you probably don't want to install all those things. So click on next, agree to the privacy policy, and don't set your home page to link2india.com. Decline this. Don't install QTracks. I don't know what it is. Click on next. You don't want Hooplap, and the installation will then be complete. Click on next and finish. So you have downloaded it. The software will start, and there are two things that you need to take care of before doing anything here. One is by physically turning on your Wi-Fi adapter through the button located on your laptop. You will probably hear a sound and some notification will appear on your status bar here. So okay, I have turned on my Wi-Fi adapter, and second is the connection which you want to share should be listed here. If it is not, it is listed here, my local broadband connection, which is LAN. If it is not listed here, you need to turn internet sharing on. For this, you need to go to Control Panel, go to Networks and Internet, Tasks. This is the current active connection. Double click it, go to its properties, choose the sharing tab, and be sure that this is checked. Once it is checked, home network select wireless network connection 2. This is probably Microsoft. I will show you. This is wireless Microsoft virtual Wi-Fi mini port adapter. So this method is found to be working with this. I have not checked with this. If you may probably want to check that out. So once you have done all these things, click on OK and click close. Now close everything else and give your SSID to your hotspot, that is its name. Let it be EG day. Give a strong and secure password, because you don't want unauthorized users to actually crack your password using any simple brute force tools. So give a password which should be at least 8 characters in size. For demonstration purposes, I am giving it numeric keys 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, but you should probably give a secure password here, and share from the listed connection here. And you should probably give the estimated number of devices that will connect to your hotspot and not more, because you don't want any authorized users to poke nose in your business. Then click on start hotspot. So it will show starting. It will probably take a few seconds. It has been done. And now when you click the network icon here, you will see your newly created network here. Currently it is showing no network access. Few seconds it will show that it has got internet access, and currently I have connected my Android device here and the browser is working fine. I can download stuff from there now. So hope you have enjoyed this short